Hi everyone, a new school year is here. Are you ready to take your vocabulary to a whole new level? I'm Goma from TCK Workshop.
And I'm Nano. Today we're inviting you to master Eiken Grade Pre-1 vocabulary in a real-time head-to-head battle. Since it's 100% online, you can join us from Japan or overseas, from anywhere. Your room becomes the battlefield.
This isn't your average vocab test. This is the Spring Vocab-Off. It's a high-stakes competition to push your memorization skills to the limit.
Alright, so let's do a little demonstration here on the screen. Okay, so we have the pin here, so we have to put that in. You can either put the pin in like this or scan the QR code right there.
Yes.
And let's put in a nickname. Okay, let's start.
Go.
So there's going to be like a target vocabulary list on the screen first. So it's going to be 20 words.
Yes.
And you will have exactly 10 minutes to prepare. So you have to memorize the words on the list here on the screen.
So don't just stare at the words. We'll be right there explaining logical points for remembering them and exposing the trap patterns that appear on exams. This 10-minute focus will test your true potential.
Okay, so let's say that the 10 minutes are up.
Yes.
So the input phase ends and then we go straight to output.
Yes.
So the battle starts.
Yes.
Now. Okay. Here it comes.
Okay.
Infant. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Nice.
We got it. Nice.
We got, both of us got
the correct
right.
answer.
Yes.
Fast answers mean higher points, but the real soul of this battle is accuracy. So if you sacrifice precision for speed, you'll drop off the leaderboard in a heartbeat.
Let's do one more.
Let's do one more round.
Yeah.
Stands.
Okay. I did it fast, right?
Oh, you did. Oh.
Ooh. Okay, rookie mistake. Uh-oh. Yeah. So
Exactly.
because I pressed the wrong button because I wanted to be fast instead of like accurate.
Yeah.
I got dropped
You
in
did.
the board and you got the higher score now.
Yes. So accuracy is very important. Yes. Can you stay cool and pick the right answer under extreme pressure? That's what builds real-world vocabulary power.
And so this round was like just memorizing the word definition, the meaning. But the next two rounds are going to be like kind of like the Eiken exams where you have to fill in the blanks. So there's going to be a sentence and then you have to fill in that blank. From the 4 options.
Yes.
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 Okay, and for a very important rule, to participate at 100%, you must prepare 2 devices.
You need one PC computer or an iPad to join the Zoom call where we'll be holding our session at and see our explanations and answers. Then you need a second device, a smartphone or another iPad to submit your answers.
So see the question on the big screen on your laptop and tap the answer in your hand. This dual device setup is going to be mandatory for anyone aiming for the top spot. Are you ready? Your final ranking will be determined by your total points across all 3 sessions. And our grand champion will walk away with 1,000 yen Amazon gift card. Yay!
Yay! Plus, every participant will receive a review handout to keep your momentum going. Grab your laptop, grab your phone, and join us from anywhere in the world.
April 11, 5 p.m. JST. See you in the online arena. Let the Vocab-Off begin.